Do you use the abdominal crunch machine at your gym? Here are some secret tips that you probably don't know about.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we are talking about the ab machine at the gym. Today, we're gonna give you a really unique cue. And when you use this cue, you are gonna feel a world of a difference on how your abs feel while you're exercising.
So a lot of times when people use this ab machine at their gym, again, they're focused on trying to crunch down. Think about bringing their ribs or their upper body down towards their legs or their hips. But the cue that we want you to think about while you're doing it is to actually do the opposite of that. Think about actually trying to pull your thighs, your knees, and your pelvis up towards your ribs. So instead of thinking about going down with your upper body, we're going to recommend that you think about pulling up with your lower body. Now, your top half is still gonna move down, but you're gonna be focused on pulling up from the lower body. And if your legs are locked in, you can really anchor that, and it'll completely change the sensation that you get while you're doing this exercise.
Next time you're at the gym doing abs, try out this tip.